Hi guys, I'm KAKO, and in the previous video we agreed that today I'll show you how to rig and animate hair, clothes, robe and something else only with a free script all in After Effects. Thanks Mr. Wasif Kurashi for creating this wonderful script. You can download the scripts and file from the link in the description. Let me first explain how to work with it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Step 1. Install. Right click and export file. Okay. Open it. Now copy the script file. Then go to the C drive. Program files. Adobe, After Effects, support files, scripts, script UI panels, then just paste it here. Now open After Effects and invite this lovely script. Window, AE Fake Dynamic. This is it. Step 2. Rig. Now go to the project. Then import the Terra doll illustration. Composition. Layer size. OK. Open comp. This cute doll has 3 parts: robe, head, cloth. Robe is leader. When the robe moves, head and clothes follow the robe. So first we rig the robe. Make it a pre-comp. Right click, pre-comp. Turn on collapse transformation for comp and the layers inside it. Back. Then add some puppet pins between 3 to 8. Tip. Less puppets for shorter, less moving parts. More puppets for longer, more moving parts. And more than 8 puppets make your project heavier. Keep going. I think 6 pins is good. So solid. And add pins. Then, click on Add Nulls to Pins. This lonely blue null is the main controller. Yep. So be sure to place it where the movement starts. Right. Now select all the nulls in order of the closeness to the main controller. Then click on Add Dynamic. See, they parent to the main controller. Unsolo them. Next, head. Doesn't need to rig because it doesn't have dynamic movement like robe and hair. Just parent the head to the nearest null of robe. Now turn off cloth. Pre-comp. Turn on collapse transformation. Add some pins. Add nulls, movement controller, select nulls, add dynamic. At the end, parent the cloth controller to the head. Rig is complete. Perfect. Step 3. Animate and setting. For Animate, we only need position keyframes. Select Group Controller, press P and add position. Select Keys, press F9, C. Is this good? But it could be better. By selecting every controller and go to the effect control, you can change the animation setting in 3 parts: multiplier, delay time, and delay amount. With increased multiplier, the acceleration of the movement increases. See? And with decrease it, acceleration decrease. Overall, multiplier is a combine of other settings. So, for a quick edit animation, just change multiplier. Back to the previous setting. Now increase delay time of cloth. See? Slower delay in a longer time. Decrease it. Faster delay in a shorter time. Back. Then change the delay amount. With increase, we see smoother movement. And with decrease, see stiff movement. Great! But for a pro animate, you need to know what you want to change. And for this, you need to have a mental image or reference. For example, here, I know the rope is lighter, harder, and closer to the energy source, so it moves faster in a shorter time. I'm gonna increase the multiplier, decrease delay time, and increase delay amount. See their rope. Nice! And cloth is softer, heavier, and farther from the energy source, so move slower in a longer time. So I'm gonna decrease multiplier, increase delay time, and increase delay amount. See the result. Congratulations! Step 4. More tips and details. At the beginning of this tutorial, I showed a few examples of other animations possible with this script. Now let's take a closer look. For Animate hair, first I separated the illustration into the Photoshop. Cloth, head, neck, eyebrows, hair around the head, hair behind the head, and 8 individual hair strands. And then I rig and animate hairs with this script. I give shorter, heavier hair less puppets and keep the speed low. For longer, lighter hairs, I add more puppets and increase the speed and smoothness with setting. One more thing to add, rig nulls don't appear in the final render, and you can hide them while animating. Okay, next one. Clothes work the same way. Heavy clothing parts get less puppets and lower speed. Light clothing parts like straps get more puppets, higher speed, and more softness. I parent the hair controllers to the head and the clothing controllers to the body. Next one. For the horse legs, I use mask and duplicate and parent the main hair controller to the head and the tail controllers to the body. For the Animate, I use a horse running cycle as a reference and added extra illustration details to make the animation more creatively. Well done! Step 5. One last tip. Don't give up. Keep playing with the numbers until it feels right. If you have any question or suggestion, tell me. Your comments are valuable for me. Interesting tutorials are on the way. So hit the subscribe button and song that you won't miss a thing. Good luck, guys!